Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to install our cold air intake that fits the 03 to 07 59 Cummins. So let's get started. You're going to start by disconnecting this mass airflow sensor harness. Next, you're going to remove this bolt and then loosen both the hose clamp at the top and at the bottom near the turbo. So once you have everything loose, you can then start by removing the air box, and then we'll take the tube out after. So now that you have the air box out, you just unclip this sensor and then you can remove the intake tube. So next we're going to transfer the mass airflow sensor from the stock airbox to the S&B intake tube. So next we're going to prep the airbox for install. So you'll start by installing the silicone tube seal. And then you'll need to decide if you want to install the box plug at the bottom of the airbox. So now we're going to drop the filter into the airbox and then install the tube at the same time. And this is going to make it easier to install into the vehicle. So now we're going to install this coupler onto the turbo, and then we will slide the rest of the intake kit into the vehicle. We're just going to tighten down the back hose clamp and leave the front one loose. So now you can just install the intake into the vehicle. I always start tube side to the turbo first. So go ahead and tighten down the clamp on the intake tube and then reinstall the factory nut. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the clear lid and then install it into the lid seal. So now you can snap the lid onto the airbox, reconnect the mass airflow sensor, and you're done. All right, guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.